Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your English teacher. Come with this topic profession, and as we have previously explained first topic, which is teaching according to your English book. So our next topic is fishing regarding metric class. Take out your book, page number 8. About 3/4 of our earth is covered with water. The rivers and oceans of the world are full of fishes. These fishes are an important source of our food, and millions of people are engaged in catching fish. This is not just a hobby but an occupation and a flourishing trade. The fishermen sometimes work individually in their small boats and sometimes work together on large boats with machinery needed to catch fish from deep water. They stay at sea for days and even weeks and return with tons of fish. These ships have proper arrangement for storing the fish so that catch is not spoiled before reaching the market. In the first paragraph it was explained how many area of the earth is covered with water. 3/4, and rivers and oceans are full of fishes, and as it is an important source of fish of our food, so many people are engaged in catching fish. It is also an occupation and a flourishing trade. We sometimes import and export fish also according to our needs. Now come to the next stanza, next paragraph. The fishermen of Pakistan also engage in both kind of fishing, inland or freshwater fishing, and sea or marine fishing. So over here fishermen are engaged in fishing, but we are having two kind of fishing, that is inland, freshwater, or sea or marine fishing. Freshwater fish are caught from river, stream, canals, lakes and ponds. Our first kind of fishing is caught by rivers, streams, canals, lakes and ponds. This is done with nets of various sizes. These fishermen sometimes need no boats at all. Sometimes they don't require boats for fishing. The fish caught from freshwater are usually small but tastier. Small fishes are more tasty than the big one. They are sold locally as well as sent to the nearby town. As the fishermen catches fishes, so they sold locally as well in the towns and import also. Third paragraph. Marine fishing is done in the Arabian Sea along the coast. This type of fishing is done along the Arabian Sea with the coast. In fishing season, boats of all sizes go out. Means fishermen uses different sizes of boats to face the danger of the sea and catch fish. Sometimes the weather turned rough without any warning. As you all know, we are not aware or we are not alarmed with the weather, So the weather turned rough without any warning. Nowadays there are many advanced technologies. These boats are then at the mercy of the storms against which they are quite helpless. Nowadays we are having boats where we are having weather stations, or we can say it will be alarm with the new technologies. So we got to know about the danger of weather. The last paragraph of this topic is how government is now taking interest in improving and modernizing this industry. Government of Pakistan is now taking keen interest in improving and modernizing the fish industry. Fishermen are given loan to buy bigger and better boats or trawlers so that they can go farther from the shore and fish in deeper water. Now as we are improving or modernizing, so government is now taking interest in this industry, fish industry. So the fishermen are given loan to buy better boats or trawlers so that it will be easy for them to go the fish in deeper water. Nets of various sizes are also available at low prices. Fish harbors and fish markets are being set up. Weather stations have been built along the coast. When we do in large quantity of fishes, so weather stations have been set up along the coast to alarm us whether it will be a storm or it might be a heavy rainfall, so that we can do fishing before that, and on offshore island to warn the fishing boats of storms. Some boats are now also fitted with wireless receiver. A fisheries training institute and a fisheries technological laboratory have also been established at Karachi. Several byproducts are obtained from fish, for example, glue, manure, and liver oil. Fishing is one of our most important industry, but chemical waste and oil thrown in the rivers and the sea are causing damage to freshwater and marine life. Now this is the end of our topic at page number 8. So there are some types of fishing, some we can say importance of this profession, and how in this chapter we have it was explained how government is now taking interest to advance this profession, and how fishermen are introducing their way of fishing. So students, what you have to do, you have to go through the lecture, go through the chapter at home, and if you find any difficulty in this topic, you may ask me in the classroom. Okay students, stay blessed and stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.